When labeling your stamps, do you sometimes get the label on crooked, and then when you stamp, you can never get it on straight? Let's fix that. I have a super easy way to make sure that your label goes on straight every time. Pick up your label sheet and peel the entire label off the sheet. Add this directly to your acrylic block. Now, take your pick tool to go ahead and take off the backing. Now, take your stamp, take the backing off, and really pay attention to how you have your wording so that you make sure you lay it down straight. I'm simply going to turn this exactly the way it should be. Now, pick up your acrylic block, and because you can see through it, line it up with your stamp and simply press it on. Now it's ready to use. This is an easy way to ensure that your stamps will line up perfectly every time.